How to fix FaceTime screen share grayed out issue on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now, navigate to the option FaceTime. After you find it, open it. Then scroll down, click on the option SharePlay. Enable for this option. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Your problem might be fixed. Now, heading to our next solution, what you have to do is offload your FaceTime app. For that, click on the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps. Navigate to the app FaceTime. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the app. Next thing you want to do is update your device. For that, navigate to the option Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your iPhone to its latest version. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can do is navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and go through the process. With all these solutions, your FaceTime should work. So this is how you can fix FaceTime screen share grayed out issue on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.